Okay guys, let's have a quick look at this cover page then, the M1 cover sheet. This is the Winter 2011 paper, 1.5 hours long, 90 minutes. You get basically formula booklet and a calculator you're allowed to have in the exam. Yeah, so you need those. The instructions, it says use a black ink or black ballpoint pen, probably because they scan them or photocopy them when they're marking, so that really is helpful. Take G is 9.8, so that's what you use for gravity in this paper. We need to show working. You can't just write down the answer then, but show the mathematical method, demonstrate it by showing your working, so that's fair enough. The number of marks given in brackets at the end of each question or part question. You are reminded of the necessity for good English and orderly presentation in your answers. Well, that makes sense. Just go explain to the reader what you're doing. Okay, so basically that's the exam then. I think there's 8 questions in this paper, but basically 1.5 hours long. And the only thing I would say about this paper as an approach is the question 1, actually, if you look at it just for quickly, it's very verbose, long-winded, takes a lot to do. So sometimes you might not want, when you look at a question, you don't like it. You don't have to do it in the order in which it's presented in the paper. Find something to get you off to a good start. It's usually a good rule. If question 1 isn't going to do that, then look for another question perhaps, and try and work your way through that way. Also, if you finish a bit early and you've done all 8 questions in this paper, then don't go early, because it's precious time. It's all that what you've done for just 90 minutes. So have a look through, read through it, and double check everything. And then if you've still got plenty of time and you've double checked everything, then triple check it, right? Don't waste a second. So it's only 90 minutes. It goes very, very quickly. And that way you'll maximize your marks, won't you? Because you're not going to do this paper again, most likely. So why not get as good a mark as you possibly can and spend the 90 minutes working as hard as you can to do as well as you can. Yeah? So anyway, that's just there. There's not a lot else to say really about the cover sheet. So that was just the introductory overview of the cover of the paper. Okay guys, so see you in each of the questions then. Cheers!